Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to go over how to work in the front and back loops of your crochet. By working in the front loops or back loops, this will change the direction of your crochet and help add some more detail to your final pattern. For example, with this cupcake, I made this ruffle by working in just the front loops, and by working in the back loops, I was able to give the cupcake a flat bottom. To determine your front loops and back loops, when you're holding the right side of your crochet facing you, the front loops will be the ones that are closest towards you, while the back loops will be the ones that are further away. So let's go over how to work in just the front loops of a round. So I'm going to get my crochet hook, and where I would normally bring the hook under both loops like this, instead, I'm going to maneuver my hook kind of in between the V and bring it up through the middle, and I'll just be under the front loop. And from there, I can yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over again, and there I've made one single crochet in just the front loop. Okay, going over this again, I'm going to carefully bring my hook up through the middle of that V, so it's just under the front loop. Yarn over, pull it through to bring up a loop, yarn over again, and there I've made another single crochet in just the front loop. So now I'm going to continue working in just the front loops all the way around, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So this is what it looks like once I finish crocheting all the way around in just the front loops. You can see that this lip has started to form, and I've changed the direction of my crochet, so when I continue working, the crochet will kind of flare out from the previous rows. I think this is great if you want to do something like a hat brim, or you want to add ruffles to your piece like on the cupcake. And now I'm going to show you how to work in just the back loops. Instead of bringing our hook under like this, we're going to go over instead and insert the hook in between the loops, bringing it under just that back loop. And now we can yarn over to pull up a loop, yarn over again, and there I've made one single crochet in just the back loop. So going over this again, I'm going to go over and insert my hook in between the front and back loop, bringing it underneath that back loop, and I'm going to yarn over to bring up a loop, yarn over again, and there I've made another single crochet stitch in just the back loop. So I'm going to continue making single crochets all the way around in just the back loops. So this is what it looks like after I finish crocheting all the way around in just the back loops. You can see I have a flat surface, and then I've changed the direction of my crochet so it's kind of perpendicular to my previous rounds. I like using this technique for when I need to create something with a flat bottom, such as when I'm making a mug or I'm creating a foot. I hope you guys found this helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment as to what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.